incredible, folks. Blizzard conditions forecasted through tonight. This is College Park, Maryland, 7:38 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. And look at that. And then look at the map here on CNN of how much snow is covering the east. And even down through Georgia, where I live part of the time, and even through the Carolinas, where the Panthers are going to host the Arizona Cardinals, which play in a dome in warm, comparatively warm Arizona. This is something else. I mean, this really is. Look at this, 24 inches of snow expected in Washington. That's 2 feet of snow. 2 feet of snow. 4,000 flights have been canceled, at least the last time I was told. 33 million people under blizzard warning. I wonder how this is going to affect Super Bowl travel, where it's 56 degrees in the Bay Area, at least in San Francisco, and about a little 62 in Oakland. Wow, this is something else. Stay tuned, folks.